Good evening, good evening, good evening, guys. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening now, but we're trying to plant the vegetable now because now only have a time to plant. I told to my husband, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. After we eat dinner, we run in the garden to plant here. Because I told him, don't buy a lot of vegetables. How many trees again he bought it. See? Ayan guys. Oh, dami na. 19 of bell pepper, different kind of varieties.
4, 8, 12, 16.
19 baby, I hold 19. Actually 20. It's all gone. Yeah. 20 paper. 20 different kind of varieties, bell pepper, peppers. I don't know. I told him 10 or more, less than 10. Oh, ayan. Kaya gabi na, gabi na guys, nagtatanim pa kami. Kasi sabi ko, let's go, let's go. Maybe tomorrow gonna be rain, it will be nice. So, ayan guys. Nakatanim na kami ng 20 na bell pepper.
They're not bell, all of them.
Or sweet pepper, or whatever, pepper or pepper. So, ang tomatoes naman, how many tomatoes we need to plant? 18. Oh, tingnan ninyo yan guys. It's around almost 9 o'clock na guys. So kaya guys, nagmamadali na kami. Ayan, minamadali na ako niya guys. Sige na nga, sabi niya guys, wala, no time na daw for video. I said, oh, I have a time to make a video today. Anyway guys, see you later. Look at that guys. Oh, ayan pa ang weather namin ngayon. Siyempre ako magtatanim, naka-aura ako. Siyempre ayan ako, magtatanim, naka-aura oh. Naka-aura si Inday Gracia na magtatanim. Ayoko nga. Ayokong madumihan ng paa ko. Oh, ayan. Ayokong madumihan kaya nakabutas yan oh. Butas, oh. Nakabutas yan si Inday Gracia. Oh, ayan. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Ayan, oh. Sabi ko eh. O yan, minamadali na niya ako guys. Nagkagalit na naman siya guys. Anyway guys, tapusin muna namin. I need to finish what we started today. See you later for my next video. Bye-bye. Mwah-mwah. Chup-chup. Don't forget to follow and watch my video. Click in heart or share my video. Comment below. Bye, yours.